Buying a home can be a daunting process, especially for service members and veterans using a VA loan. On one hand, the VA loan offers amazing benefits, no down payment, no private mortgage insurance, and better interest rates. But on the other hand, it's not always easy to get a seller to accept your offer. I want to look at the myths and the misconceptions around VA loans, why they exist, and how you can protect yourself from getting stuck with a bad deal. If you're planning on using your VA loan benefit, this video might be for you. The VA loan is designed to help service members buy a home even if they don't have the cash for a 20% down payment. It's backed by the government, so lenders should feel more secure lending to you, right? Well, not always. Lenders often have the misconceptions about VA loan process. They think it's more complicated or that it takes longer to close. Sellers hear these worries and they worry too. They wonder if the deal will fall through or if they'll be stuck with extra costs. In a competitive market, this can lead to your offer being rejected even before they consider it. And that's not just frustrating, it's unfair, I think, to the people that have served our country. Here's a quick story. A vet and her husband recently bought their first home after years of being stationed overseas. The housing market was crazy. Low inventory, high prices, and bidding wars everywhere. They were ready to put in an offer using her husband's VA loan benefit, but their lender suggested that they make two offers, one with the VA loan and one with the conventional financing. I've never heard of that, but that's the story. Why? Because the VA loan might turn the sellers off. Even though both offers were nearly identical, the sellers pushed them to go with the conventional loan. They fought back, and eventually they convinced the sellers to let them use the VA loan. They got lucky and closed on time, but it could have easily gone the other way. By the way, if you're looking to move anywhere in the country and you're looking for someone who can help you on the other end, send me a text and an email. I can help you with that. I'm part of a network that spans the United States. So why do these misconceptions exist? Part of the problem is that industry professionals aren't always up to date on VA loan policies. The VA regularly updates its rules to improve the process, but many realtors and lenders are working off outdated information. For example, people often think VA loans take longer to close, but according to the VA, the average VA loan closes in 32 days. That's faster than the national average of 40 days for all loans. There's no reason a VA loan should take longer, but myths do persist. Some of the confusion also comes from big military lenders who've dominated the VA loan market. They don't always have a reason to speed things up, so the perception of a slow, cumbersome process has stuck around. On top of that, celebrity financial experts like Dave Ramsey, and I know him, he lives here in Williamson County, have gone on the record saying VA loans are bad because of fees. This misinformation can scare people away from using the benefit they've earned, even when it's often the best option. This kind of talk makes it even harder for service members to use the VA loan and can lead to missed opportunities and lost benefits. Despite these challenges, the VA loan has a lot to offer. It's not just the no down payment and the no PMI. VA appraisers are required to give notice if they believe the home is overvalued. This allows buyers and agents to negotiate or present their case before the appraisal is finalized. No other loan type offers this kind of protection. It is this feature that often is used as a reason not to go VA. But the simple truth is, it is designed to protect the vet, the buyer, from a bad deal. In my opinion, everyone should be on board with this. It's not just about getting the deal done, it's about getting the deal done right. Misinterpreting VA loan rules can have real financial consequences. Just ask Melissa Wilkerson, who bought her first home with a realtor who misunderstood the VA loan requirements. She and her husband ended up using both of their VA loan benefits when they didn't have to, costing them thousands in increased fees when they wanted to buy their second home. That's why it's so important to work with a realtor and a lender who is open to the VA loan process. Be wary of those who dismiss a VA loan out of hand. The military teaches veterans to trust superiors and follow orders. But in civilian life, especially when buying a home, you need to be your own advocate. Don't just assume a realtor or lender knows best because they're military friendly. I hear that kicked around quite a bit. Do your own research, ask questions, and don't be afraid to walk away if you're not getting the support you need. The VA loan is one of the best benefits available to service members and veterans, but using it can feel like a battle on its own. Don't let outdated information or misconceptions stop you from using it. Educate yourself, find the right professionals to work with, and use your benefit confidently. If you're getting value from my videos and you want to be the first to learn about the changing real estate market, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell. That'll help both of us. Thanks so much. See you later. Talk to you soon.